I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my family's favorite recipes, which is just some good old-fashioned goulash. And then we are going to do some after dark cleaning to get the house cleaned up before bed. So with that being said, we're just going to go ahead and start right off with this goulash recipe. You guys, it is so easy and we seriously love it. Brayden, my oldest, literally had 3 helpings and he is usually very picky. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off by getting the ground beef heated. I have like 1.5 pounds of ground beef here. So we're just going to go ahead and get this mainly cooked up before we do anything else. I also recommend cooking in like a bigger pot because this is a 1-pot meal and I've tried to do it in smaller ones before and it always overflows all over the stove. So I just definitely recommend sizing up your pan. So at this point my ground beef is pretty well cooked through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add in 1 diced onion and some minced garlic. And then I'm also just gonna season it with some pepper. And then we're just gonna let the meat cook the rest of the way through. Let the onions and garlic get translucent. Everything is nice and cooked, so we're gonna go ahead and add in a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce. I have a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Sometimes I'll add 2 of these, depending on how I feel. 3 cups of water, some Italian seasoning, maybe like 2 tablespoons or so. I add in some garlic powder because you can never have enough garlic. And then I also add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And I would normally add a couple bay leaves, but I don't have any today. So I am just gonna go ahead and let this start boiling. Once it boils, we'll add in 2 cups of elbow macaroni. I wanted to say mac and cheese. We'll add in 2 cups of elbow macaroni, and then once the noodles are done cooking, you're done. Meanwhile, when I'm cooking, this is what happens. My child gets into everything possible.
Tristan! Tristan! Tristan!
So I do cover it to cook once the noodles are in, and then once it's ready to serve, I always top it with some cheese, and we always serve it with some Red Lobster biscuits. It's just our go-to. But another thing I love about goulash, let alone it's 1 pan, easy cleanup. The boys love it. Everyone loves it. We also always have leftovers from goulash, so that is always a plus as well. Saves me a night of cooking and saves our grocery budget really as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack this away for a leftover night, and then we're going to go ahead and get into some cleaning. You guys saw in the beginning I went ahead and started a load of laundry. That way we'll be done for the morning time is what I typically do. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning up my mess from dinner.
Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round. You now, now, my world is spinning round, and I want you now.
While I go ahead and get these dishes loaded into the dishwasher, I wanted to take a quick second to introduce myself if you're new here. So if you are new here, hi and welcome. My name's Tristina and I'm a 24-year-old stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. I post all sorts of content here in my channel, from cleaning, cooking, decorating, basically everything that has to do with being a homemaker and a mother. and YouTube is just seriously a passion of mine. So if you are here, it means so much to me because it's just genuinely something I love to do. And getting to connect with you all is always so much fun. I love when you guys reach out to me on Instagram or in the comments. So if you're new here, please introduce yourself because I would love to get to know you. I see you guys as friends and not just YouTube viewers. So if you enjoy this video, please press that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. Like I said, it means so much to me, and I hope to see from you guys in the comments repetitively. It's like so exciting when I see the same names pop up over and over again. I just feel like I connect with you guys, and yeah, I can't say enough how much it means to me. I love having you guys here, and I love doing this. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the kids are being crazy in the background right now. I'm trying so hard to kind of block out the sound, but if you can hear it, that is just part of the chaos of my channel. And the kids come with it. Anywhere I go, the kids go too. So, yeah, I am sorry if it's chaotic, but I just try to make these videos as real as possible, and having kids crazy in the background is my real life, unless I stay up until midnight to do the voiceovers, which I usually do, but not for today's video. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and feed the dogs their dinner. I always like to get them walked for the night before I clean the floors for obvious reasons. They're always tracking in mud and dirt. So I basically have to clean the floors every night, and I just try to get them fed and walked before doing so.
All the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you.
If you guys have been here for a while, then you know I love using Barkeeper's Friend to clean my stovetop. I basically do this every night just to keep it nice and clean and keep any stains from building up on there. But if there are stains, I'll let it sit for a few minutes before I scrub. If there's not a whole lot, then I can usually just go ahead and scrub right after sprinkling it on, and it does the job always. I love this stuff.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the
I have such a love-hate relationship for these white cabinets. I absolutely love the way they look. I am so glad we painted them, and I definitely don't regret that decision at all. But with kids and dogs, I am constantly having to wipe them down. Basically every night I do just like a quick little spot wipe down. Anytime I see any spots, I'll just wipe them down real quick. But I guess it is not a big deal because I do the same thing with my stainless steel appliances every night. So what's one more little section added to the list. I hate when fingerprints are on the stainless steel appliances, so I usually just go ahead and wipe that down with my all-purpose spray every night, and then like once or twice a week I'll do like a good clean with my actual stainless steel spray.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no.
Lastly, to end the cleaning, every single night I do a quick sweep and a quick mop. I definitely don't deep mop every night. I do that like once a week probably, but I just go ahead and go over all the floors with the mop real quick. I use the O-Cedar spin mop. I love it. And then I also do have a Bissell Crosswave that I use like throughout the day because, like I said, the dog's coming in and out. I'm just constantly having to vacuum and sweep and mop. It is a chore with dogs for sure, or even the kids in the spring and summer. I'm just constantly having to clean up. As you guys saw, our kitchen floors are white as well, so that does not help the problem at all, but it is what it is. So anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I've been making this for years now, probably since like it's been like 5-6 years, like before my first son was even born. I've been cooking this. We love this recipe, so I hope you guys do as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.